Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial from Being Skilled. In this video, we'll learn to present information in another format, which is table. So tables are used to represent information in a structured way. So how do we add them? So we have the table tag there for us. This is the opening and the closing of the table. Now a table has different rows. So we will be using the tr tag, tr. So this is the starting and the ending of the row, and each row will have cells. If you've worked with Excels, you know each row has cells, each row has different boxes. So those boxes are cells, like different information. So for that we have TD, table data, and let's have more TD, and suppose we are making a table to represent information about the population of different countries. So the first will be country name, and second column will be population. Population. Let's save it and see if this is working or not. If we refreshes, so we have this here. But this doesn't feel actually like a table because we don't have any borders. So let's add border. To add border, you need to specify the border attribute of the table tag. So let's set border is equal to 1px, 1 pixel, and let's refresh. Now you can see that we have now borders around our different cells. So now it actually feels like a table. But now let's add some more rows. So again we use the tr tag. Let's copy it and add. So we again have two table datas to represent two different cells. Let's write India. These are not exact values, I'm just writing whatever I know. Let's copy it again and let's write China. China is about, like, I don't know, 6 billion. And let's write XYZ 2 billions. Now let's refresh it. Now this feels like a table. We have 4 different rows and we have 2 columns. So for different rows we have used the tr tag, and inside the tr tag we have different TDs, table data tags, to present different cells in that table. But in any table, the first cells are bold to show that those are the heading. So instead of TD in the first row, we can use the TH. TH stands for table heading. So just like the difference between paragraphs and headings, headings are like a bit bolder and larger in font size. Here is the same thing. If you save it and refresh it, you can see we have got a bolder text there to specify that okay, this is a table heading. So this is how you make a table in HTML. You have the table tag, and then in that table tag you have a table row, and in that table row you have different table data or th tags for different cells, and you use the border attribute to add a border around your table. So that was how you add tables to your HTML page. You can make them as large as you want, and this table might not look beautiful to you, so we'll be in our CSS series we'll be covering how to make your tables more beautiful. If you like this video, drop a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so.